Kirshner Farmstead. I'm Hunter, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make cotton candy with my cotton candy machine. Very quick, before we get started, I'm going to tell you what you're going to need to make cotton candy. First, you're going to need pure cane sugar, and then you're going to take with that pure cane sugar and mix it with flosine. This colors and flavors your cotton candy. Next, you're going to need containers to put your sugar in. You're going to need sticks to make the cotton candy with. And then you're going to need a container that you can put your final product in. I like to use deli containers because they are thick, hard plastic, and they keep the cotton candy dry. Alright, now that you know what you're going to need, let's get the machine started. First, you're going to turn the machine on. And then you're going to set the machine to 110. And then you're going to set a timer for 4 minutes and watch it to make sure your machine is running properly. And then after those 4 minutes, you're going to turn it down to 90 degrees and you are going to add in your sugar using this. Okay, so now that it's been 4 minutes and you know the machine is working right, you're going to take and you're going to turn the temperature down to 90 degrees. And then you're going to take one of the sugars and you are going to pour it into your ladle. Now, you're using a bowl because I can't get the sugar without spilling it everywhere. So, you're using a bowl. Okay, so first you're going to take a scoop of your sugar with your sugar ladle, and you're going to pour it into the machine. Make sure your ladle does not touch the sides. And make sure that your stick does not touch the middle or else it will burn. And the first cotton candy will start out small because the machine has just started heating up, and it will take a sec for it to fully heat up. Now that we have this, we're going to take a little more sugar in it, and we are going to pour it in, and we're going to try to get a little more on this stick because there wasn't very much from that first one. And make sure when you are spinning, you're also moving back and forth so then you get all the cotton candy. This is what they're going to look like if you're doing a smaller batch. Okay, so now that you have your cotton candy, you're going to take one of your containers and you are going to put the tip of the cotton candy in, and you're going to take it off the stick. And you're going to take and you're going to push it in. Try not to get any finger marks on it. So then it looks like this. Now that we have our layer of blue raspberry done, we're going to take some pink vanilla frosting sugar and we are going to put it in the machine. Okay, so now we're going to take a scoop of pink vanilla and we're going to pour it in. That wasn't very much. You're going to take another scoop because I didn't put enough in it, and you're going to put some more. Alright, now that we have raspberry. So now you are going to take, and you're going to use the back of your hand so that no finger marks get on. You're going to go like that, and you get it off, and then you go like this. So that no fingerprints get on it. No fingerprints. So the last layer we're going to do is lemon. Okay, so this is what the finished product is going to look like. And make sure you don't run your machine for more than 30 minutes because then you'll overheat. If you do run the machine for more than 30 minutes, then shut the machine off and give it 10 minutes to cool down, and then you can keep going on your cotton candy. If you enjoyed this video, then please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.